Have you ever been frustrated trying to get a hold of customer service? You're not alone. We've all been there, stuck in a phone tree loop or waiting endlessly for a chat response. It's especially stressful when you're dealing with your finances. But what if there was an easier way? Today, we're cutting through the confusion to give you a clear, straightforward guide to contacting Rocket Money customer service. We'll show you exactly how to get the help you need, whether you're trying to cancel a subscription, negotiate a bill, or just have a simple question. The fastest and most direct way to get in touch with Rocket Money is through their in-app chat support. It's available right there in the app, and it's the method they recommend for the quickest response. Just a few taps and you'll be connected with a support team member who can help with your specific issue. Now, if you prefer to write things out, email is your next best bet. You can send an email to support@rocketmoney.com. To make things go smoothly, be sure to use the email address associated with your Rocket Money account. This helps them quickly verify your identity and pull up your information so they can get to the bottom of your problem faster. But what if you're trying to cancel a specific subscription? The app itself is your best friend here. Rocket Money has a feature that allows you to request a cancellation directly through the app. Just go to the Recurring tab, find the subscription you want to cancel, tap the three dots next to it, and select Cancel Service. In many cases, Rocket Money will handle the cancellation for you. If they can't, they'll give you clear instructions on how to do it yourself. And for those of you who are premium members and want to adjust or cancel your membership, that's also handled within the app settings. Look for the gear icon in the top left corner, select Premium, and from there you can manage your membership details. So, to recap, use the in-app chat for the quickest help, email for a written record, and the app's built-in features for specific tasks like canceling subscriptions. Getting in touch with Rocket Money doesn't have to be a headache. Knowing these simple steps can save you time and get you back to what matters most. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.